Hello everyone and welcome back for a new French lesson. I didn't plan to make this video, but last week I posted this short video with a little test for you. The mistake in the video that you had to find was the spelling of the verb appelé. So many of you thought that the mistake was mon ami, so I had to make a video about it. As usual, don't forget your free PDF to keep and review. So, do you know what is mon in French? Mon is a possessive adjective that translates to my in English. In French, we have plenty of possessive adjectives, 3 times the amount of the one you have in English. The reason why we have so many is because they agree with the noun that they describe, which means that they will be masculine, feminine, or plural. So when in English you only have one, we have 3. So you know the one in English. Let's see the one in French. We have mon, ma, mes, ton, ta, tes, son, sa, c'est, notre, nos, votre, vos, leur, leur. Today we are going to focus on Mon Ma Mes for the rules, but the same rules will apply to ton, ta, tes, and son, sa, c'est. I have a little quiz at the end. The quiz will include mon, ton, son, and variation. But if we look at the list that we have here on the screen, we have 3 different types of possessive adjective in French. We have the first column, which is masculine. The second one is feminine, and the third one is plural. So let's see how to use them with mon. Mon is going to be followed by a masculine noun. Ma is going to be followed by a feminine noun starting with a consonant. And then mes is going to be followed by a plural noun. We have one category missing here. Feminine nouns starting with a vowel are going to be used with mon as well. So let's see some examples, shall we? We have mon ami, masculine, mon ami. Mon ami féminine is still mon, like I did on the quiz, okay? Still mon. Ma sœur, or mes parents, mes parents. Same with ton, ta, tes. We have ton ami féminine, ta sœur, or tes parents. Then with son, sa, c'est, it's the exact same thing. We have son ami féminine, sa sœur, or ses parents. So the sentence I used in the quiz was perfectly fine with mon. J'ai appelé mon ami ce matin. My friend with feminine. Okay? So the reason why we can't have ma amie is simply for a pronunciation reason. So it's to have a good flow of pronunciation. Ma amie doesn't sound good in French. We have to stop at ma, then add ami. It just sounds broken. So because of that, we have mon ami, because then we have a liaison, mon ami. It's nice, it's flowy, it's good. It's better than ma amie, which doesn't exist. Mon ami, okay? Alright, I have 3 examples for you and then we're going to jump into the little quiz. First one, est-ce que tu as vu son téléphone? Est-ce que tu as vu son téléphone? So here it could be his or her. It doesn't matter, it's just in the sentence I used her, but it could be his or her. C'est. Mon rendez-vous a été annulé. Mon rendez-vous a été annulé. So mon rendez-vous is singular, masculine singular. So mon. And finally, ton opinion ne m'intéresse pas. Ton opinion ne m'intéresse pas. So your opinion. So opinion in French is feminine. So ton opinion, because it starts with a vowel. Simple as that. Okay, now the little quiz. I have 10 questions for you. You have 10 seconds to answer. If you need more time, just pause the video. Simple as that. And I will be back after each question to give you the answer and to give you why the answer is this one. Bonne chance. Good luck. For the first one, we have tes collègues viennent d'arriver. Tes collègues, because collègue is plural and your is tes. The second one, mon ordinateur est en panne. My computer. So mon, because ordinateur is a masculine singular noun, but it doesn't matter too much. The thing that matters is that it starts with a vowel, so it's mon anyways. For this one, we have comment était ta réunion? Ta réunion. Your, and then réunion is a feminine noun starting with a consonant, so we have ta. Comment était ta réunion? Question number 4. Est-ce que ton horloge est à l'heure? Est-ce que ton horloge est à l'heure? So here we have horloge is a feminine noun, but it starts with a H, which this one is a mute H, H muet, so it acts as a vowel. So we have ton. Ton horloge est à l'heure. This one was a little, yeah, little bit difficult. I hope you got it. Alright, question number 5. Ses yeux sont bleus. Ses yeux sont bleus. So, yeux is the plural of œil. So, ses yeux sont bleus. Question number 6. J'ai utilisé son imprimante. Son imprimante. Even though imprimante is a feminine noun, it starts with a E, which is a vowel. So we have son imprimante. Once again, if we say sa imprimante, it's just broken. It just doesn't flow, you know, it's just not nice. So we have to have son imprimante. Now you can do question 7, almost done. For this one we have je dois aller promener mon chien. Mon chien. Chien is a masculine noun, so mon chien. Very easy. For question 8, we have ma voisine veut vendre sa maison. Double one here. Ma voisine veut vendre sa maison. So both the noun voisine and maison are feminine singular. So ma voisine veut vendre sa maison. The answer for this one is elle est accompagnée de son avocate. De son avocate. Okay? Avocate is a feminine noun, but it starts with A, which is a vowel. So elle est accompagnée de son avocate. And the last one, mon armoire est bancaire. Mon armoire est bancaire. So armoire is a feminine noun, but it starts with a vowel, so mon armoire est bancaire. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Let me know if you would like the same lesson for l'heure. I know that l'heure without S and l'heure with S is always an issue. So just let me know if you would like one of those. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Don't forget your free PDF. If you want to keep learning, check out this listening practice with 50 sentences with faire, such a useful verb in French. And I have to stop talking because I'm losing my voice. I will see you next Wednesday for a new lesson. À mercredi prochain.